The new oil cooler gasket just arrived, so I can continue fixing these oil leaks. It's made by L-Ring, which is quite well-known manufacturer. Oil cooler gasket is now changed, as well as the oil filter. Previous owner has changed oils couple thousand miles ago, so I don't think that's necessary right now. Before changing the auxiliary belt, let's take a quick look what the old one looks like currently. See that? It's almost about to come off from the tensioner pulley. I just want to show you the condition of the old pulleys. Hear carefully, listen carefully. Can you hear that? That's the tensioner pulley, and then the idler. Listen to that. Horrible noise. I've now installed the tensioner pulley and the idler pulley. Both are torqued down to proper specs torques. The tensioner pulley is torqued to 25 Nm plus 90 degrees, and the idler pulley is being torqued to 14 Nm. And I've also routed the auxiliary belt on its place, so only thing I need to do next is to release the pin from the tensioner pulley. I've assembled everything back now, but next I need to bleed the coolant system and add some new coolant after it. As you can hear, the horrible noise has disappeared. There's only minor ticking on the injectors, but everything else seems to be fine. I've taken the car out and let it run for a while, but as you can hear, it sounds really nice now. No extra noises anymore.